Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKZ. And if you need to guys test the purge control valve to find out if it's actuating, if it's opening, closing, stay with us, we'll cover that today. I'll recommend to perform two different tests, so make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain what we're talking about. Now, let's go ahead, and cover that in this video. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So, specifically guys, why we mentioned these three cars? Because all three of them share the same platform, they're built on the same platform guys, same engines, transmission. Even if you have hybrid, on a hybrid version it's practically the same. Right here, if you look on the intake manifold, that's your purge control valve. The purpose of that valve is to bring the fuel vapors from the fuel tank and inject them in the intake manifold. From there, they will burn through the engine, so you're not losing the fuel in the form of fumes in the atmosphere. The car will be more economical, better on gas, and you're not killing the atmosphere guys. So it's a win-win situation. So that valve is practically opens and closes so the fuel vapors can be injected in the intake manifold. Now, it can fail in two different ways. We're going to test the actuation part first to see if it clicks, if it opens at certain duty. And second, guys, we'll explain what you need to test to make sure that it's physically opening or closing. So, we're going to go ahead, go inside that Ford vehicle now, and here, guys, you need to find where your OBD port is located. Ours is right here. That's the OBD port. We'll go ahead and connect the Think tool guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video which one exactly it is. This is super powerful tool. It can pay itself off in one-time use. It's a tool that I'll definitely recommend. You can scan every computer system on your Ford or any car. You can read the lead codes, live data, see guys parameters, do tests, and it can pay itself off in one-time use. You definitely need that on those modern devices. We'll turn the ignition switch on. We'll select All System Diagnostics right here. Under All System Diagnostics, we'll click VIN Decoding. Now it's going to read the VIN number, decode it, and it will tell us that we have a 2013 Ford C-Max guys. So it will be any minute now. Check it out. Then it will continue. Ford C-Max 2013. Perfect. It's loading now. It will ask us at some point to confirm that the ignition switch is on. Right there. We look at it. The dash lights are still on. We click yes. It's going to load all the parameters here now. Pretty simple guys so far. And here we go to system selection, and I want to show you how complicated these cars are nowadays. You will be shocked guys. Watch all the computers that are here. All these computers are in your car. And we're not talking about Mercedes, BMWs, Audis, usually, or Porsche that have more computers. We're talking about Ford that used to be pretty simple back in the day, but now you have quite a few systems. And the one that we need to check is the PCM, Powertrain Control Module. That's the engine computer. Here guys, you can see how much you can do under every computer. You will have the option to read codes, clear codes, see live data. You can see module information, data stream, actuation tests, special functions. We go to actuation tests right here. It's going to load, and the test that we need is will be called as a purge control valve, purge control solenoid, something similar to that, the evap system. So we need to find detection pump vacuum evaporative emission canister purge valve duty cycle. We'll click that one. Perfect. Under data stream guys, if you haven't opened your fuel tank or anything like that, you can actually check guys how much pressure you have in the evap system as well, the evaporative emission system. So you can actually even add that one as well. it will be under pressure usually somewhere. Detection pump, leak, emission canister, cycles. We can see if the cycle matches, okay, with the one that will trigger. You will see in a second. So everything looks great here. We're going to click OK. Now right here, that will be the percentage that will activate. This is the percentage that it will be going. Those two needs to be matching, guys. So I'll go outside the vehicle so I can show you and you can hear it running. Okay, and check it out now. If I come here and click, okay, let me go ahead and click now. Okay, pause. We'll go to about what will be the first step? 10%, and you start hearing that clicking here. Okay, let's hold it here, that microphone, so you can hear. I'll go to 20%. Listen now. At about 50% it should be the loudest, because after that it will start being open for longer periods of time. 30%, 40, 50. Now you start getting quiet, because practically it stays open almost all the time. And that's 100, it just open all the way. So you can see how it can change the duty of it, those two match. That's the first test. Second test, guys, I would recommend, we have a video on the channel, you can remove it. You remove the line, you get a balloon, you put pressure on the inlet line with the air balloon, inflate it, and when you activate it, it should deflate the balloon. When it's stopped, it should keep pressure in the balloon. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.